Today we are talking about an event that is called the Medicare Enrollment Fair and Expo. This event is hosted by Sheridan Benefits, and it's November 9th at Samuel's Grand Manor. This is also sponsored by the 3 local insurance carriers, and we are so excited for this event, and we brought in some great people to talk about this event. I'm so excited because we are here today and we are joined by a group of insurance carriers talking about an event being hosted by Sheridan Benefits. This local event is taking place on November 9th and it's being held at Samuel's Grand Manor. This is also sponsored by 3 insurance carriers. And today, sitting with me right now, I have Tom Sass and Andy Naparella. So Tom, let's start with you. With the transition of Highmark, will the current members see any changes to their plans or how they utilize their plans?
Sure, yeah, it's a great question. For Highmark, and it's for people that don't know, we've affiliated with Highmark about 1.5 years ago, so we have a lot of great things going on with Highmark. Outside of the easy thing is you're going to get a new ID card, which happens when you have a name change. We have a lot of great things going on in 2023 for Medicare Advantage. Our plans are getting better, and one of the benefits that we're really proud of to be able to offer is comprehensive dental. Dental health is really important to folks as much as your overall medical health. So offering that to everybody in 23 is going to be a great opportunity for them, and really to focus on that. And not only that, just some other benefits that are really important, like primary care and specialist copays are really important to people, and we've made a lot of effort to do a good job on making those affordable, and really with the Highmark affiliation, being able to make sure that that's sustainable for years to come.
And what are some enhancements that Univera Healthcare has on their plans for 2023?
2023 is going to be a big year for us, I think, similar to the other carriers, and we try to listen to our members and the people that we work with and try to adjust our benefits to meet their needs. So similar to what Tom mentioned, dental is something that we're adding. We're keeping our preventive dental benefits in there at zero cost share, but we're also adding comprehensive dental and a $1,000 allowance every year. That's something that people have asked for a long time. We're happy that we can bring that to the market. The other thing that we're very happy about this year is Tom mentioned PPO versus HMO. We're introducing a PPO plan for some extended out-of-area coverage. So we're excited about doing that. That's going to be at a $19 price point, and that's going to be great for people who travel outside the area, for those people that maybe are going out of state or snowbirds. The other thing that plan is going to have is a flex card. So people are going to have $500 on a flex card and the ability to use that on either vision, dental, or hearing. It's going to be up to them to give them that flexibility.
Why is it important that we do this fair this time of year?
Sure, it's that busy time. It's the annual enrollment period. And what that means is that once a year time that our Medicare beneficiaries are able to make a change with their current plan that they're enrolled in, and or change plans, enroll in a new one for the period during this time, which is effective for January 1st, 2023.
So what are some new benefits or enhancements that Independent Health will have for 2023 for their Medicare plans?
Great question. In 2023, we will continue to offer our HMO and PPO plans. And new for 2023 on select plans is the PERS device, or the Personal Emergency Response Service, at no cost to our members. In addition, we have a variety of zeros across our benefit plans. So we have $0 copayments for primary doctor visits, $0 copayment for Tier 1 medications, and preventative services are at no cost. In addition, our preventative and routine dental services and routine eye exam, and as always, our gym membership, the Silver Sneakers program, is at no cost for our customers.
And also joining us is Maria Schenk, the woman that's going to bring it all together for us. Maria.
We are beyond excited to be hosting this event with the sponsorship of Independent Health, Highmark Blue Cross Blue Shield, and Univera Healthcare, because like Kathy mentioned, this is a very important time of year for anybody on Medicare, and we are bringing this together so there is a one-stop shop where everybody can come out and hear about all these great enhancements to all these products to see what's going to be best for them in 2023.
Yeah, and speaking of that, what should an attendee be looking at, and what should you have ready before making your plan selection?
That's a great question. Anybody attending our event should bring with them what they currently have today, a list of providers they see, and not just their doctors, where they go for labs, hospitals, everything, and a list of their medications, because our team at Sheridan Benefits will make sure that whatever plan they are looking at meets their needs, covers their doctors, and covers their prescriptions.
And Maria, please give us all of the details on your enrollment fair and expo at Samuel's Grand Manor. Give us all the details.
I'd be more than happy to. So the event's going to be held on November 9th from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. at Samuel's Grand Manor. We do ask for registrations. They're not required. You can either call our office at 716-276-0880 or visit our website, which is sheridanbenefits.com/Medicare. They can register. They can come in at any time within the 10 to 7 time frame. We are not only going to have these 3 wonderful carriers there, but we are also going to have vendors. So we'll have representatives from the Erie County Department of Senior Services, the New York State EPIC program. We are going to have Marbon Social Club and Oasis Senior Advisors, as well as live music from the one and only Tom Bender.
Oh, that's awesome. And you do encourage pre-registration.
We do, just to make sure that we're ready for everybody coming in, but it is not required. We will take walk-ins as well.
Awesome, awesome. This is a great event that the whole community needs to take part in. So we hope to see you there, right?
We want to see everyone there.
All right, thank you so much. We hope to see you there.